Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. I would like to introduce you to the nice quest system. I'm not 100% sure if I will release this as a separate pack, but I know that it will be included in the multiplayer game system. So let me show you what it does. Let's just play for now. So you have a quest here. Let's pick it up. You have quest name, the quest giver, wherever you get this quest from. Basically, you can convert anything and everything in your level into a quest giver. It could be a person, it could be, in this case, it's a bench. It could be whatever you want. And then you have the description part here, and then the lobby, which is basically the area where this quest belongs to. Sorry. And then you have the objectives, each with its rewards and how many targets. Then you have the reward for the whole quest. You can reject and accept. So let's go ahead and accept it. Once I accept it, you see the circle there. This is the area where you need to head to. So I will find a way to, I don't know, maybe in the map or something, to show the area where you need to go to complete your quest. Here we go. Once you enter the area, first you get this this little window here. It shows you your quest, your objectives, and we found the area, so it's green now, and we need to find the orange guy. Actually, he's a gray guy, not the orange. Anyway, and then let's kill them. Once you kill them, quest complete, and you get your rewards. Let's take them, and if we go to our inventory now, here we go. Completely random generated rifle. Let's equip it actually. And what else did we get? We get a feat. Here we go. Let's take it as well. Obviously the inventory system is in the multiplayer game system as well. Now let's pick up the second one, and this one same thing, blah blah blah, but this time we will get a backpack and arms. So let's go ahead and do that. Here we go. We need to collect some food. And by the way, if you notice, the targets are updating as well. It's now 1. Here we go. We got our rewards. So let's this one is gray, damn it. Let's see the backpack. Green, not bad. There we go. Alright, so this is basically the system. Or how it works inside. Oh, I forgot to show you the quest book. So basically campaign, so those were supposed to be one in the campaign and one is a side story, and when you click on them, the window here updates. Let me actually go back. So when you accept it, so this one goes into campaign, and there you go, all the information. The second quest was a side story. Yeah, okay. So what's in the background? First thing first, it's a whole data table thing. All those options are here for you. Objectives, you name it, it's like loads of stuff. Let me actually pull this up. So the quest name, description, blah blah blah, but one of the good things that I actually discovered lately, that I can, in the data table, I can add another data table. So instead of trying to remember in which level, you can simply just select from here, or whichever level you have. What kind of quest it is, objectives, and then you have your you add your objectives. What kind of objective? You have location, interact, collect, kill, objective, actor class. At the moment it's just one class. Number of targets, completed objective. This is for background code, so don't worry about it. And then how many XP, any item rewards you can add here, what kind of items you want to give as a reward, and then skill reward. Once I have the skill system up as well, so you can reward your player with some skills, I don't know, like extra punch or maybe 10% extra health or whatever. And then you have the rewards for the whole quest. And then if you have any required quest, in this case I have quest 1, so quest 1 doesn't have any requirement, you see it's empty, but a quest 2 requires you to have a quest 1, which is, again, you can select it from your data table. Okay, now where the quest is being held, or I mean where can you find it or solve it, you can specify whether you want to do manual placement of your quest area. So if you tick this, you can just like any other quest system, you take your target area and you place it in your map, you scale it and so on. But if you untick it, you can actually specify here the location and then the target area, basically the the area itself, the box where all your targets will be, and then the player detection radius, so basically how far should the system detect that the player is close to the target area. So usually this is bigger than the target area. Yeah, if you do it this way, so without without the manual placement, you don't need to do anything else. You don't need to place anything in the map or anything. You just literally fill in this thing, and then the system, when you arrive to that level which you specified here, once you arrive to one of those levels, the system will spawn this target area for you and everything, so you don't need to place or do anything else. You just fill in this tablet and you're good to go. The one thing that you need to put manually is the quest giver. You place this for whichever actor you want them to become quest giver. Okay. I don't know what to say, but as you said, as you could see, like from the quest table, there is a lot going on here. One thing I would like to say is the quest system is basically just this component. That's it. So for those who already have this multiplayer game system, you can look at the character. So here is the base character, and you can see this is just the construction, just to get your character from the data table. But this is the blueprint. That's it. There is nothing in here. Everything is inside those. Let me show you the player as well. There you go. Completely empty. Here you have the quest system. I added it to the player, not to the base, because the base is also, I inherit the AI from it. So the AI doesn't need a quest system, obviously. Well, at least not as a standard. If you want to add it, that's up to you later. But yeah, so the whole blueprint is empty basically. You have few things in the gameplay. Let's see, the player controller. You have basically the inputs, and you have few things in the graph. That's all what you need to worry about. Everything else is around here. But the whole each and every system. Oh, actually here the menu as well. It's that. But you can see, I mean, it's very compact code. Yeah, so the whole system is basically component based. everything is inside the components. Hopefully will be easier for you guys to take those components, put it somewhere else in another project or whatever, and then just copy whatever code you need from the player controller, which is basically how to activate that component. Okie dokie. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon with the skill system and the combat system. And once that's done, the new update will be released. Yay! Alright guys, catch up later. Bye bye.